We are pleased to show you the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.